everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to invite friends on Monster Hunter Now. You can invite friends to play Monster Hunter Now by using codes or by using QR codes. So let's get to it one by one. First of all, let's learn how to invite friends using codes. Tap open your Monster Hunter Now application and log into your account if necessary. Once you're signed into your account, tap on your profile picture at the bottom left-hand corner. Tap on Friends option on the next page. Tap on Add Friends and then select the Enter Friend Code text box. Type in the code for your friend and tap on the Add button. If the code is valid, your friend will be added to your list after receiving and accepting the friend request. Now, let's add friends using QR codes. From the same page, simply click on the QR option right next to your Add a Friend text box. Now, simply go ahead and point your camera at your friend's QR code, and once the code is scanned, tap on Add. Doing so will successfully add your friend to your list after accepting the request from their end. So that is how you can easily invite friends and play together on Monster Hunter Now. Now you can either join their active hunt by tapping on their Hunt with Friends notification or simply invite them to your hunt on Monster Hunter Now. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.